Write a Python program to reverse a given number. Alright, in this question we are going to learn writing a Python program to reverse the digits of a given number. Reversing a number means that the digits in the number are flipped in order. For example, the number 12,345 will become 54,321 after reverse. There are several ways to reverse a number in Python programming. We can use for loops, while loops, slicing, or string manipulation to reverse the number. Let's explore all these different methods in detail. Method 1. Reverse given number using while loop in Python. Let's create a Python file. I have created 18_toot.py, you can create with any other name if you want. Let's write a Python program to reverse a given number using while loop. Here is the program. Don't worry, let me explain you about this program. In this program we have taken the input number from the user using the input function. With the help of int function we have converted input to an integer. Then initialized a variable reverse to 0 to assign the reversed number. Then we have used a while loop to reverse the number. In each iteration we have taken the last digit of the input number using the modulo operator. After that we are adding this digit to reverse variable by multiplied by 10 in reverse variable. This adds the digit to the leftmost position in reverse. Remove the last digit from the input number using integer division, which discards any remainder. This process continues until all the digits of the input number have been reversed. At last, print the reversed number using the print function of Python. Let's run the Python file to see the expected output. Open your command prompt and run Python file. It will ask you to enter a number. Let's enter a 1 2 3 4 5 and press enter. You will see the expected output. You can also try with any other number if you want. You will see the expected result. Method 2. Reverse a given number using string slicing in Python. Let me comment out previous method. Now let's see second method. Here is the program to reverse a given number using string slicing in Python. Let me explain you each line. First, taken the input number from the user with the help of input function of Python. Then convert it to an integer using the int function. After that we have converted the integer to a string using the str function. We have used slicing to reverse the string. In Python, slicing operation ::-1 creates a new string that is a reversed copy of the original string. Converted the reversed string back in the integer using int function of Python. Finally, print the reversed number using the print function. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and turn on bell notification for more video.